Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our Education and Teaching series, we're talking about one of the most important pillars of education, curriculum design and development. If you've ever asked, why do we study this subject? Why in this order? Who decides what goes in a textbook? This video is for you. Don't forget to check out the full playlist by clicking the link in the description below. What is curriculum design and development? Curriculum design is the art and science of deciding what students should learn, how they should learn it, and when they should learn it. Curriculum development refers to the process of building and improving that structure over time. Think of the curriculum as the blueprint of education. Just like a builder needs a plan to create a house, teachers need a curriculum to create meaningful learning experiences. It answers questions like, what subjects should we teach at what grade level? Should we focus more on memorizing or understanding? How do we prepare students for real-life challenges? Why is it so important? Because curriculum shapes the future of students and the future of society. A strong, well-designed curriculum ensures students gain the right knowledge, develop useful skills, and grow into responsible citizens. A poorly designed one can leave major gaps in learning, cause confusion, or even create inequality. For example, if a curriculum only focuses on academic success but ignores emotional growth, creativity, or ethics, students may do well in exams but struggle in real life. Types of curriculum. There are different types of curriculum. Formal curriculum. What's officially taught, subjects, textbooks, tests. Hidden curriculum. The values, behaviors, and norms students learn without being directly taught, like respect, punctuality, or competition. Extracurricular, sports, clubs, arts, and activities that build confidence, teamwork, and leadership. A good education system finds the right balance between these. Approaches to curriculum design. Educators and planners use several approaches. Subject-centered, focused on mastering content like math, science, literature. Learner-centered, focused on student interests, needs, and pace of learning. Problem-centered, focused on solving real-world issues like climate change or community service. Many modern systems try to blend all three to create more relevant and engaging learning. Real-world examples. In Finland, the national curriculum focuses on broad skills like communication, entrepreneurship, and sustainability, not just subject knowledge. In Singapore, the curriculum is updated every 5 years to match changing job markets and technologies. Even in your own classroom, a teacher may design weekly or monthly mini-curriculums based on student needs. Why future teachers must learn this. If you're becoming a teacher, knowing how curriculum works will help you. Plan better lessons, connect subjects to real life, adapt content for different learners, help students see the bigger picture in what they're learning. What's next? Now that we've built the blueprint, it's time to bring it to life. In our next video, we'll explore instructional strategies and pedagogy, the actual teaching methods that make a curriculum work. Make sure to subscribe, drop your questions in the comments, and check out the full playlist in the description below. Thanks for learning with us, right here at the Learning Studio.